Ade needs to climb up a wall, but he has no ladder, only planks of different lengths. If the wall is 1.5 meters high and he wants to place the plank at a distance of 1.1 meters from the base of the wall, what will be the length of the most appropriate plank to use? The Pythagoras theorem can be used to calculate the length of the plank. The same applies to points in the Cartesian plane for any 2 points A and B with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 respectively. These points have a horizontal displacement which is given by x2 minus x1 and a vertical displacement which is y2 minus y1. You will observe that these displacements form a right-angled triangle. Using the Pythagoras theorem, the distance between point A and B can be expressed as AB squared equals x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Therefore, AB equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Hence, the distance D between any 2 points with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now, if point C with coordinates xy is halfway between points A and B, the horizontal displacement between points A and C is x minus x1, while between C and B, we have a horizontal displacement of x2 minus x. The vertical displacements between points A and C and points C and B are y minus y1 and y2 minus y respectively. Since both triangles are on the same line, they have the same angles at points A and C. Also, sides AC and CB are equal. Therefore, both triangles are congruent since they have right angles. Hence, x minus x1 equals x2 minus x. Collecting like terms, x plus x equals x2 plus x1. Hence, 2x equals x1 plus x2. Finally, x equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2. For the vertical component, y minus y1 equals y2 minus y. Collecting like terms and simplifying, y equals y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In conclusion, the coordinate of C, which is the midpoint between points A and B, whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2, is given as x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, while the distance is given by the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Keep learning.